TCL Raino X2 ***. Using Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, the Raino X2 are the first augmented reality glasses that can stand on their own. One may capture and interact with the world around them using their 16-megapixel camera, which is accompanied by a SLAM system and gesture recognition. Among the many features available on the Raino X2 are smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, picture and video recording, and much more. Plus, there's a library full of augmented reality apps and games that will make your time even more enjoyable. With their modern style and featherlight construction, the Raino X2 are the perfect sunglasses. They come with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, along with a charging cord and a case. You may control them with your voice or touch, and they work with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can get your hands on the Raino X2 on Indiegogo right now for $699 if you act fast. Lithy Wagon W1 Pro. Unlike other wagons, the Lithy Wagon W1 Pro has electric propulsion and a powerful 500W motor. This groundbreaking device can effortlessly traverse any surface. It's an excellent choice for any outdoor activity, whether you're going camping, gardening, shopping, or relocating. The Lithy Wagon W1 Pro is a roomy and sturdy vehicle with a 200L capacity that can support loads of up to 132 pounds. To make loading and unloading even easier, it features a drop-down tailgate. Another small and transportable option is the Lithy Wagon W1 Pro. With only a little motion, you can fold it up and put it in your trunk. The included egg roll folding table is a great accessory that can be fastened to the wagon for more use. On Amazon, you can get the Lithy Wagon W1 Pro for just $449.99. Airspeeder Crude. From a standing start, the Airspeeder 4 Malawian Quachas can reach a maximum speed of 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds, making it the fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in the world. Expected to go 300 kilometers on a single charge, it handles like a Formula One race car. With a power output of up to 1,340 horsepower despite its light weight of only 950 kilograms, the 4th-generation Airspeeder is more than a car, it's a game-changer. The curtain has come down on an exciting new chapter in motorsport, one in which anything is possible. This is the pinnacle of competition for the most forward-thinking, creative, and driven automakers, OEMs, and racing teams in the world. Being a part of history is an opportunity that will present itself in 2024 when the first crude races are set to commence. Depending on the features and customizations chosen, this flying wonder might cost anywhere from $1.5 million to $1.7 million. Apple Vision Pro. With Apple Vision Pro, you get more than just a camera, connecting the digital and physical realms. It ushers in a new era of computing. You can use your eyes, hands, and voice to engage with apps, entertainment, images, videos, and more. With Vision Pro, you have the ability to work and play on an endless canvas, experience immersive theater no matter where you are, relive memories in 3 dimensions, and cooperate with others in the same room. A revolutionary design with a bespoke micro OLED screen, a dual-chip architecture, eye tracking, and spatial audio define Vision Pro, which is driven by Vision OS, the first spatial operating system in the world. The most cutting-edge Apple consumer electronics product ever, the Vision Pro retails for $2,999 and is now available for purchase. Discover the cutting edge of computing with Apple Vision. PESA H2 Loco. One innovative shunting locomotive that uses hydrogen fuel cells is the PESA H2 Loco. It is the fruit of PESA's groundbreaking initiative to integrate environmentally friendly technology into rail cars, and it is the world's first of its type. With a top speed of 90 km per hour, PESA H2 Loco is capable of pulling trains that weigh up to 3,200 tons. It can run on 650 kW of power for 15 hours before needing to be refueled. Ugot Robotic Kit. Create 7 different robots with just one Ugot Robotic Kit. A revolutionary combination of technology and creativity, with its clever knob block and modular architecture, building and customizing your robots is a breeze. Another option is to use open-source hardware and do-it-yourself parts from third parties to personalize your robots. As a tool for learning, the Ugot Robotic Kit goes beyond being a simple toy. A one-TOPS computer with integrated CPU, GPU, and NPU chips is included, with primary control through here. Here, you may access all of AI's features, including bionic mobility, speech recognition, gesture detection, and more. Python and the graphical user interface both allow you to build your own models and algorithms. Kickstarter is currently accepting pre-orders for the Ugot Robotic Kit at a price of $256.
Want to turn a 45-minute commute into a 10-minute flight? This might soon become a reality thanks to this Air CaB. The 5-seater is equipped with powerful engines allowing it to take off and land vertically. The pilot can control the Air CaB by himself or entrust this process to the autopilot. There are several versions with different ranges from 60 to 150 miles. The company is confident that these vehicles will be useful for carrying both passengers and cargo, and in the future will be integrated into urban air mobility systems. And they will save time, which is the most important resource for most people. This is a concept from the South Korean company Hyundai. At CES 2022, they presented their vision of the city of the future, showing various transport innovations. Special attention is paid to robotics and the metaverse, a constantly active virtual space for various interactions. They also focus on people with limited mobility. These pods, called plug and drive modules, will help them get out of the house and ride around the city. The pods dock with a special platform, creating a kind of bus. Also, vertical takeoff and landing vehicles will be actively used. The company's ultimate goal is to implement the mobility of things ecosystem, implying seamless mobility in cities and challenging existing modes of transportation. Designed for a flying hotel that never lands is exactly the concept that you're seeing on your screen. 20 engines, up to 5,000 passengers, and the ability to dock with conventional airplanes. These are just some of the features of the SkyCruise project. The concept stands out for complete autonomous control. To put it simply, human pilots are just not needed. Visitors will be able to enjoy swimming pools, a shopping mall, cinemas, gyms, and other amenities. However, commenters online are skeptical. If physics and aerodynamics didn't exist, then this vessel might actually be able to take off, noted one of them.